Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Listening Stories. On this channel, we help you practice real English. My name is Leo. I am very happy you are here with us today. Today, I have a special guest with me. Please say hello to Anna.
Hi, Leo. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here. School is a big part of our life, and it's a great topic for English.
Yes, it is. So, Anna, let me start with a question, and you, our listener, can think about it too. When you think about school, what is the first picture in your mind? Is it your classroom, your friends, your teacher, or maybe your homework?
Good question. For me, the first picture is the classroom. A big room, a whiteboard, many desks, and students talking and laughing.
Nice. For me, the first picture is the schoolyard. Children running, a ball in the air, the sound of the bell. Today, we will talk about English at the school. We will show you easy words and simple sentences you can use to describe your school day. Let's start from the morning. Anna, what is a normal school morning like?
I wake up early. I get dressed. I have breakfast. Then I go to school. Some students walk. Some take the bus. Some go by bike.
When you arrive at school, what do you do first?
I say hello to my friends. We talk a little. Then we go to our classroom.
In English, you can say, I arrive at school at 8 o'clock. I go to my classroom. Simple and clear. Okay, now we are in the classroom. What do we see?
We see desks and chairs. We see a whiteboard. We see books, pens, and notebooks. At the front, we see the teacher.
Right. You can say, this is my classroom. We have 20 students in my class. What subjects do you study, Anna?
We study English, math, science, history, and art. English is my favorite subject
Why do you like English?
because English is like a key. It opens many doors. Music, movies, travel, friends.
Beautiful answer. You can say, my favorite subject is English. I like English because it is useful. Let's talk about teachers. Anna, what is your English teacher like?
She is very friendly. She smiles a lot. She speaks slowly. She helps us when we don't understand.
That is a good teacher. You can say, my teacher is kind. My teacher explains things well. How about friends at school?
Friends are very important. We sit together. We work in pairs. We help each other. And of course, we talk a lot during the break.
Of course. Friends make school more fun. Now, let's talk about break time. What do students do during the break?
Some students stay in the classroom. They talk or check their phones. Some go to the schoolyard. They play games, they run, they play football or basketball.
In English, you can say, at break time, I play with my friends. We talk in the schoolyard. What about lunchtime?
At lunchtime, we go to the cafeteria. We stand in a line. We get our food. We sit with our friends. We eat. We talk. Sometimes we laugh a lot.
Lunch at school is a good time to relax and speak with friends. Now, let's focus on English class. What do you usually do in English class?
We read short texts. We listen to dialogues. We repeat new words. We practice speaking in pairs. Sometimes we play simple games. For example, a word game or a memory game.
Games are great in language class. They make learning fun. You can say, in English class, we practice speaking. We learn new vocabulary. Do you feel nervous when you speak English in class?
Sometimes, yes. But I know it is normal. Everyone makes mistakes. Even the teacher sometimes.
That is true. It is okay to be shy. The important thing is to try. School is not only about being in the classroom. There is also homework.
Yes. Homework is a big part of school life. We do exercises. We write sentences. We learn new words by heart. Sometimes I don't want to do homework, but I know it helps me learn.
You can say, I do my homework after school. I study for 1 hour every day. Do you have any tips for doing homework, Anna?
Yes. First, find a quiet place. Turn off the TV. Put your phone away. Second, start with the hardest subject, when your brain is fresh. Third, take short breaks, 5 minutes to stretch or drink water.
Good tips. Small habits can help a lot. Now, what do you do after school when homework is finished?
Sometimes I meet my friends. Sometimes I play sports. Sometimes I just rest and watch a series.
Nice balance. Now, how do you feel about school in general?
School is not always easy. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. But school is also a place to grow, to learn, to make friends, and to build my future.
I like that. You can say, school is important for my future. At school, I learn and I make friends. Okay, let's review. Today, we talked about morning at school, arrive, classroom, subjects, teachers and friends, kind teacher, helpful friends, break and lunchtime, play, talk, cafeteria, English class, read, listen, speak, new words, homework, study, practice, quiet place, feelings about school, sometimes hard, but important. Now, if someone asks you, "What is your school like?" you can say, "My school is big. I have many friends. My favorite subject is English." Or, "My school is small, but the teachers are kind. I like my English class."
Both answers are simple and great. You don't need long, perfect sentences. Just try to use the new words.
Now it's your turn, dear listener. Question of the day. What is your favorite thing about your school? Is it your friends? Your English class? Your teacher? The playground?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, my favorite thing is playing with my friends at break time. Or, I like my English teacher because she is kind.
We are very proud of you. You were doing something amazing. You are learning a new language.
Thank you so much for listening today. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.